Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the OneOdio Monitor 60. This is a professional studio headphone. Wow, with a cool design and a nice sound. Recording wired over-ear headphones here. High resolution audio, soft and comfortable earmuffs. That's right. We have a big foam there, and it is like the cloud around your ears. Really cool. We have 6.35 millimeter. That's our quarter inches adapter for tracking, mixing, DJ mastering, broadcast, gaming, what you like, because it's a multifunction device here. A large Diaphragm. The Monitor 60 with the 50mm drivers delivers extremely beautiful, well-balanced and accurate sound across the frequency range, though that we will hear every detail of the music from accurate mids to the crisp highs. And it's for home and studio. The Monitor 60 supplies a 1.2 meter cable with microphone for phone calls, a 3.5 millimeter to 1/4 inches cord adapter cable for studio use, especially monitoring and mixing, and also an extra long audio cable for us to connect the television easily. We have high resolution audio. The Monitor 60 achieves high performance in revealing sound details without harshness. The sound is warmer, smoother, and crystal clear in whatever type of music. And it's really comfortable and isolation. Pressable ear cushions are crafted to fit our ears, isolating the noise and extending pleasure usage time at the same time. Steel headband provides just the right amount of tension and ensures the durability. And is easy adjustable for the optimum roomy fit. And a wide compatibility available for personal computer, for laptops, for phones, and Macs. With supplied cables, it works for the most vocal microphones and acoustic instruments like guitar, violin, keyboards, and piano too. And OneOdio. This is the power of music. They are an audio product manufacturer that has been established for more than 10 years. They have made outstanding achievements in audio fields such as DJ, monitor, and hi-fi. OneOdio headphones are sold to more than 30 countries in Europe, North America, and Asia. They are committed to provide the best experience for us customers here. High sound quality. They believe in the power of sound. The high quality OneOdio headphones provides the studio quality sound to make us enjoy the music with unprecedented intensity. And it's super cost effective. They hope that we customers can get high quality at a lower cost. For this reason, the super cost effective OneOdio is here for us. And Monitor 60 is designed to provide audiophiles with a more perfect sound experience and a more comfortable wearing experience. OneOdio exclusive audio cable that meets all our needs. We have 1.5 meter stretching to 3 meters coiled cable with quarter-inch jack plug for professional purpose like DJing and studio work. And a generous 3-meter cable for home use, a 1.2-meter cable with a built-in microphone, so you can use that as a headphone and a microphone too. That means we have there 2 in 1. With the high-res audio certification, OneOdio Monitor 60 has reached industry-leading benchmarks in terms of reference audio sounds and accurate sound reproduction. And it's ideal for studios and audiophiles. As a professional monitor headphones, the Monitor 60 is ideal for the most demanding audio and professional applications such as mixing, recording studios, post-production, music production, video editing, etc. too. And OneOdio exclusive CD compactus pattern ear shells with a metal mesh design. The meter rings and the honeycomb signature on the ear cups make the headset more modern and prettier. And with a bright silver left and right logo, adjustable steel headband, 90 degrees rotation earmuffs, the durable materials and reinforced hang gives a good texture in our hands. And with a soft artificial leather ear cotton, pressable and comfortable. It fit wrap around our ears, not only to prevent sound leakage, but also brings us more comfort. The sensitivity here of the Monitor 60 is 110 decibel plus minus 3. The frequency response is from 20 Hz to 40 kHz. The maximum input power is 1600 mW. The plug type is a 3.5 mm and a 6.35 mm in stereo sound. The color is black. The speakers are 50 mm and the impedance is 38 ohm. It's a wide connectivity technology. We have a high-res audio sound quality. We have a professional headphone for tracking, mixing, DJ, mastering, broadcast monitoring, personal listening, what you like. And the driver sensitivity and the impedance are awesome. The sharp function is a daisy chain, and the earmuffs are comfortable soft-eared cushion. The ear cup swivel is 90 degrees both directions, and the microphone is an inline microphone. Detachable cables are included. One time 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm cable with microphone, 1.2 meter. The cable 2 is 3.5 to 6.3 mm cord cable, 1.5 up to 3 meter. And cable number 3 is 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm cable in 3 meter. You see, all what you need is in the box. The Monitor 60, a storage bag, and a nice user manual as you can see, and 3 cables are included. The Monitor 60 headphones is designed to provide audiophiles with a more perfect sound experience and a more comfortable hearing experience too. This is easy, and this makes a good sound, and this is a good monitor and professional studio headphones here by OneOdio. This is the Monitor 60. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.